A stunning 4-bedroom executive home situated on a premium corner lot across from a park within a high-demand, family-friendly neighborhood of Northwest Ajax. Welcome to 38 Stammers Drive. Beautifully landscaped with trees, shrubs, and perennials for exceptional curb appeal, this brick home features a double-car garage with additional 2-car parking in the driveway, exterior pot lighting, and an inviting covered front porch. Its fully glass-paneled double entry doors accented with decorative wrought iron inserts. The tiled foyer has a bay window as well as a half-wall with decor columns between it and the formal living room, maintaining the open theme flow of the main level. The living room enjoys morning light through a floor-to-ceiling east-facing window and the warmth of a corner gas fireplace surrounded by an elegant mantle. Open, yet having a warm and intimate atmosphere, the dining room showcases an octagonal-shaped coffered ceiling with this entertaining space illuminated by a modern chandelier. Simply stunning, the custom kitchen showcases rich wood cabinetry with molded uppers, a pantry, as well as under and above mount accent lighting, a tiled backsplash and granite counters, a granite-topped center island with waterfall edges, a built-in wine rack and a bar fridge, as well as a stainless steel oven with gas cooktop, a double-wide undermount sink, a built-in dishwasher, and a double-drawer French door fridge. The kitchen and its adjacent breakfast room are additionally brightened by modern chandeliers and have tiled floors, while the breakfast room also has the finishing touch of chair rail and features a storage closet, a large east-facing bay window, as well as a walkout to an amazing outdoor oasis. Designed for both leisure and entertaining, the backyard showcases a huge stamped concrete patio area, 2 wood gazebos, one with a bar, the other with a hot tub, both with surround sound, as well as a lush patch of lawn space and raised beds for the urban gardener. The living and dining rooms, as well as the main hallway, showcase gorgeous Brazilian hardwood flooring, while details such as crown moldings, pot lighting, California shutters, as well as upgraded door and window trims can be seen throughout the main level, which also has direct access to the garage next to the front entrance, a double coat closet with wood doors finished with textured glass panels, as well as a powder room with a tiled floor, textured walls, and a vanity with stone counter. And to the upper level is a hardwood staircase. Its hardwood and wrought iron railing, as well as the wainscoting along its wall, continued through the upper hallway. This level has 4 spacious bedrooms, 2 washrooms, the convenience of a laundry room, 2 linen closets, and California shutters on most of its windows. The secondary bedrooms are all carpeted and have large windows for abundant natural light, with the 4th bedroom featuring a double closet and semi-private access to the 5-piece common-use washroom. The 3rd bedroom also has semi-private access to this washroom, which features a tiled floor and bath area, a vanity with stone counter and 2 undermount basins, as well as the privacy of a water closet. Across the hall is the laundry room, which has a tiled floor, washer and dryer, a large laundry tub, and cabinetry storage. The common area linen closet is just down the hall, and both the 2nd and 3rd bedrooms feature double-sized closets with single doors, and the 3rd bedroom additionally features a raised ceiling above its arched window. Through a double entry door is the bright, beautiful master suite. This gorgeous personal space showcases an east-facing window with a deep ledge and a south-facing Palladian-style window, a lovely feature wall, a vaulted ceiling with pot lighting and a fan, its own linen closet and 2 walk-in closets, as well as a luxurious 5-piece ensuite washroom with tiled finishes throughout, a wall-to-wall vanity with stone counter, 2 undermount basins, and a makeup vanity, a corner tub, a glass shower area, and the privacy of a water closet. The master bedroom additionally showcases beautiful hardwood flooring, which flows throughout the hallway as well. And the upper hall also features a coffered ceiling finished with crown moldings, pot lighting, and a gorgeous modern chandelier. The fully finished lower level has new flooring and pot lighting throughout, a 3-piece washroom with tiled finishes, a floating vanity, and a walk-in shower with river rock floor, as well as a massive open-concept recreation area ready to suit family and entertaining needs. Walking distance to Vimy Ridge Public School, public transit, parks, and places of worship, this home is also close to the neighbourhood shopping plazas of Nottingham Market and Meadow Ridge, while big box shopping at the Durham Centre Plaza, golf courses, the Greenwood Conservation Area, the McLean Community Centre, the Ajax GO Station, as well as access to Highways 401 and the 407 are all just short drives away.